Make sure that you have everything ready before you begin tooth jewelry application. Always wear a new pair of gloves with each client. You need a small container of water. This water must be discarded and replaced with each client. Remember to close your crystal container after selecting your crystal. Before you begin, ask your clients to read the agreement carefully. If they are allergic to latex and bonds, do not proceed with the application. You are now ready to apply the crystal. Ask your client to select a suitable tooth and crystal. The tooth must not have any cracks or cavities. Use the mini brush for selecting the crystal and place it face down on the mixing pad. Now squeeze a small amount of bonding agent A onto a mixing pad. Ask the customer to bite down on a cotton roll. Using the cleansing gel, fit fresh nozzles. And apply a small amount onto the area of the tooth to be fitted with the crystal. Leave for 15 seconds. Place a cotton roll into the water. Remove and squeeze out. Remove cleansing gel from the tooth. Make sure that it does not hit the lip or other parts of the body. If it does, wash it off immediately. Taking another piece of cotton roll, wipe the chosen tooth thoroughly until completely dry. Gently take a small amount of bonding agent B from the bottle and paint the area of the tooth to be fitted with a crystal. Do not use too much as it affects the bonding process. Apply bonding agent B to the underside of the selected crystal. Then, use a mini brush and place the crystal on bonding agent A. Apply a little pressure and make sure that the bonding is mixed. Using a mini brush, place the crystal on the tooth and apply gentle pressure. If you need to remove the bonding residue or move the crystal, use a mini brush. Use the activator lamp for 20 seconds to complete the procedure. Now you can explain the aftercare instructions to your client. If you have any questions about tooth jewelry application, please contact us.